And I know you love this girl. Don't try and act like you in love this girl. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Lamborghini dreaming. Probably Ponzi scheming. Hear my voice all in the background of your life like Morgan Freeman. Got my keyboard on my lap. Got some people on my back who expecting me to go and put my city on the map. Well, alright then, guess I better go find me a hype man. Guess I better go get a nicer mic, cause everything I'm writing just been too good, girl. I know that you'd agree, even though you tryna act like you ain't never heard of me. Cause I've been independent, but my image is sending, and I'm feeling tremendous now, cause every track I'm sending into YouTube get 2 times the views that they used to. From out of my mouth into your ear like the Bluetooth is BA. Got some people listening in India, hit me up, answering their questions like it's trivia. But I don't front, really I don't know much, but I show love, everybody go nuts. For the man, baby, I'm just what I am, trying to spit a little fire. I'm providing for my camp, that top floor. I know you want some more. Honestly, I'm tired of flying, baby, I'm trying to soar to that top spot, turn up top notch, hotter than the block. This music is all I got, so I'ma love this. I'ma never live life on a budget. I'ma push the limit and budget, trying to find a sound that they loving, and I hope it's me trying to find the recipe for the perfect melody. Tell the beat, rest in peace. Yeah.